Alright, hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be building a model. Now this would be the first model that I ever built. So I've picked something that's not too hard. This is the snap kit. So you just need nippers and tweezers apparently, as it says here in Japanese. So no painting and no glue required. And this is what the end result could look like. Anyway, I'm quite eager to get started, so let's do it. I've already opened the box before, so this isn't really that exciting. So there's a painted body already. And here we have a couple of sprues, I think that's what they're called. And stickers. Wow, everyone loves stickers, right? Alright, now all the plastic was making a ton of noise, which made it really impossible to hear anything that I'm saying. So I think it actually recommends to put on the stickers first. I think the part that takes the longest is the sticker part, honestly. Look at the size of this. It is like 1 or 2 millimeters across. I think I'm getting a bit more of a hang of this after a couple of stickers. Bit more confidence, pretty good. It's like, what if you lose one of these stickers? Are you just screwed? Now this should be a bit better to work with since this sticker is actually pretty big. Okay, and the all-important GT-R badge. Kind of messed up a little bit, but it still looks okay, I think. Something cool is that they allow you to put your own number plate on if you wanted to. You can write your own number plate on there, or if you don't want to, then there's just also the default Skyline license plate. I'm going to put that one on. Okay, I think that's all for the outside. I did most of these, yep. So we can finally move on to this, after like 10 hours. So I put some of the recommended stickers on. So these two, apart from the triangle. I'm not quite sure what they're for though. Maybe it's like registration or something like that. Alright, so they say basically just put them together. And it'll go on like, basically, with a snap. That's why it's called a snap kit. Looks pretty nice. There wasn't a big snap, so that's not that satisfactory, but it's in, it's solid, looks half decent, at least, I would hope. Alright, next is the front. So, let's do the mirrors first. So here's the mirror. Alright, there we are, 2 completed mirrors. Now I just have to put them on. Okay, mirror 1 is in. It kept falling out for a bit, but I think I managed to get it in fine. No longer falling out now. Mirror 2 done. They keep falling onto the floor. So apparently it's a tiny little sticker on the left here that goes on there. I have no idea what it is, but authenticity, right? And the bumper also just snaps on like that. Not too bad. Pretty neat. And that's most of the front complete. Hooray. Now we come to the other side of the manual. We're doing the rear. I'm not sure whether there's a difference between up and down, but I just did it one way. It looks okay, so I'm going to stick with this one. I mean, I can't really undo it, so there we go. Looks pretty damn good. Now we move on to, I'm guessing this is the interior segment. Gonna have to do a lot of stickering, so let's get to it. Alright, got the dash cluster done. Not too bad actually, as in the efforts required. Trying to figure out what I should be doing next after getting the stickers done. Ah, there's more stickers, great. that is the steering wheel, all stickered up. Not too shabby, honestly. These stickers really do add a lot to the realism. And it goes on just like that. So I think I'm supposed to fold this front part in first, then fold the sides in. So now the interior is pretty complete. And I think we're almost done. There's no more stickers left, thank God. Now onto the chassis assembly. Now there's something cool here, and that is that you can select whether you want your car to be a lowrider or just at the normal ride height. Now I think I'll go for the normal ride height. And the way you do that is you can put in the axle at either the top or the bottom hole. I thought it'd be a good idea to organize these. So these are front ones, so I don't want to get them mixed up with the rear ones. And here are some axles. And here are some axles to put them on. So just slot them through like that in the middle here. Okay, there we go. Spinny wheels. They gave 2 sets of axles for some reason. Not quite sure why. I guess they're spares in case you want to swap them out. So now we can put this and that together. Okay. Snap it goes. Okay, get the back in first, it says. I think the rear is a bit too high, so I'm gonna adjust that. And that works by moving the axle from the bottom hole to the top one. Okay. Now it looks a little too low, but I guess it's either or. And this is the finished product. It looks pretty good, if I do say so myself. I think the only parts that would need attention is the mirrors, because they fell out once already when I was looking around this model. So I think some glue might actually be pretty good for keeping the mirrors in. Not too bad of a project. Took about, I'm gonna say 2 to 3 hours. And most of that time comes from putting stickers on. Yeah, so you can kind of see the details in there. That's really nice. So I think it looks pretty good for just a beginner model. No glue, no paint, anything, just stickers. The stickers were a big pain in the ass, but I think it's worth it. Yeah, and nothing on the bottom, except for the company name. I think it does feel a little cheap, but I guess that's to be expected for just a plastic model. It looks realistic enough to what is depicted on the cover. And if we look on the side here, the finished product looks fairly similar. And that's all anyone can ever ask for. I'll definitely be doing more of these kits. I already have another kit. This one is the S30. So I think I'll be doing more of these in the future. Let me know what you thought of it. And hopefully you can build one of these by yourself as well. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.